Guys, it's me again. Today I'm introducing you the Vernee Mix 2, and this is an unboxing video and impressions video. I bought this from GBS, and this is Vernee Mix 2 Pro version. You can see the Pro version has got 6GB of RAM and 46 GB of ROM, and it has got 13 megapixel dual shutter rear, 4200 mAh, and the main and the one of the best is the 18:9 6-inch screen, full HD plus. This is the one of the best thing on this phone, and you have got a headphone jack and a notification light. This is one of the best, I think, from this phone. This is our package, a nice package. The phone, you can see a nice screen. Backside is of glass. This is nice, a metal frame, and this is the phone, a nice phone. We will give it to side. We will see then how the phone looks like. And the package, what we get inside is a charger, one charger, European charger. I think it's a normal charger, not fast, but it's nice one. Then you get a micro USB for charging and data transformation. And what we get is a silicone case, a SIM tray tool to open the SIM tray, two screen protector and backside protection. It's plastic, not metal, not glass, and some integrations, and the silicone case. This is very nice packaging, and this was the unboxing, guys. Now I will show you the phone, how it looked like. Here is the phone, guys. Now I will tell some spec of the phone. The dual rear camera, one of them is real and the other doesn't work, you know, the fake dual camera option. Then you can see the fingerprint, it's a very good. The Vernee Mix 2 with 6GB of RAM from 6, I choose them. And micro USB, a loudspeaker. The loudspeaker is not loud, it's normal. I don't know why the loudspeaker is not loud, but I don't know. Here is the microphone, second microphone, the power key and volume crackers, then the SIM tray, and the top side we have got audio jack. This is one of the best specs from this phone. And the top side front, you can see the receiver to hear the other contact, and we have a LED. This is one of the best, and this is our phone. You can see 18:9 full HD plus 6-inch screen, and the front facing camera is there at the bottom. Not so good, but it's quite normal. And this is our phone, guys. It is very good, but I will show the version. Yes, you can see the phone runs with Android 7. You can see the Nugget, and the voice version is 1.00, and the security patch is very old, from August. This is not good, but a nice phone. We don't get updates, I don't know. These phones didn't get updates. This is not, they don't have a good sport, guys. But you have to know the price. This is a price performance phone. You cannot expect much. The camera is quite good when you have a good light, backlight and so on. You can see the camera is very good when you have enough light. And you know the blue effect, the fake dual camera option, you can see you get a circle. This was, yes, I have to say it's a nice phone, but you can see that, you know, it's very difficult to say you can buy this phone. I recommend you to buy this phone, but you cannot expect much like of the other phones because you don't have a support about them. You don't get updates, and yes, I don't know, guys, but it's a good phone when you have a budget about $200 or $200, then you can choose this phone. But there are many better other phones about $200. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys. Thank you for watching.